Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The sofa is the centerpiece and soul of the living room, often regarded as the heart of any home. It is a versatile and essential piece of furniture that provides a comfortable and inviting space for relaxation, socializing, and creating cherished memories with family and friends. When choosing a sofa for the living room, several factors come into play. The size and layout of the room play a significant role in determining the ideal sofa dimensions. A large living room can accommodate a spacious sectional sofa, providing ample seating for a big family or gatherings. On the other hand, a smaller living room may require a compact love seat or a two-seater sofa to optimize space. The style and design of the sofa contribute to the overall aesthetics of the living room. From classic and traditional to modern and contemporary, there is a wide array of sofa designs to suit different interior decor preferences. The choice of upholstery material, such as leather, fabric, or microfiber, further enhances the sofa's appearance and comfort level. Comfort is paramount when selecting a sofa for the living room. After all, it is a place where one can unwind, read a book, watch TV, or take a nap. Plush cushions, supportive seating, and well-padded armrests all contribute to the sofa's comfort level. A reclining feature or chaise lounge option can also add an extra element of relaxation to the sofa. In addition to comfort, durability is essential when considering the longevity of the sofa. A well-crafted and sturdy sofa ensures that it can withstand regular use and maintain its quality over time. High-quality frames, strong joinery, and durable upholstery fabrics all contribute to the sofa's durability. The sofa layout in the living room is equally significant. Placement against a focal point, such as a fireplace or a large window with a stunning view, can create a balanced and harmonious arrangement. Angling the sofa towards the television or incorporating a coffee table in front fosters a cozy and functional seating area. Sofas offer an opportunity to personalize the living room with a choice of colors, patterns, and throw pillows. Bright colors or bold patterns can add a pop of excitement and liveliness to the room, while neutral tones create a sense of tranquility and timeless elegance. Throw pillows and blankets allow for easy customization and can be changed seasonally to refresh the living room's look. Maintaining the sofa involves regular cleaning and care to ensure its longevity. Vacuuming and spot cleaning spills promptly are essential to keep the upholstery looking fresh and clean. Depending on the material, sofas may require professional cleaning occasionally to maintain their appearance. In conclusion, the sofa in the living room is much more than just a piece of furniture. It is a space of comfort, relaxation, and connection. Its design, comfort level, and placement contribute to the overall ambience and aesthetics of the living room. Whether In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!